How to mask a subject in After Effects. For this video, I'll be using the Roto Brush and Refine Edge tools. To start, make sure your After Effects composition matches the footage you want to cut out. An FPS mismatch will make the effect's built-in rendering break. Once you've checked that, select the Roto Brush tool and double-click your video. Here, just draw over the subject and After Effects will handle the rest. If you accidentally select more than you want, hold Alt and draw red over the incorrect spot. When you're done with the first frame, press play and it should automatically fill in the rest for you. If it veers off the original outline, you can pause it and go back to drawing. This may take a few corrections, but is still much faster than masking it by hand. When it's done, you may notice some sections like the hair get smoothed over too much. If it's not too bad, you can simply increase the feather, but doing it too much makes the mask look round and bad, so I'd recommend keeping it at 5 to 10%. The best option though is a Refine Edge tool. With the Roto Brush selected, hold Alt and W on your keyboard. Now you can just draw along the wispier edges of the hair. When you finish this, simply press freeze and let it properly render, and now the subject is fully cut out.